Bay windows are a beautiful feature in many Redmond homes, offering extra space, expansive views, and abundant natural light. But with Redmond's Pacific Northwest weather, characterized by steady rain, occasional snow, and damp conditions, these windows require regular care to keep them looking and performing their best. With a little seasonal maintenance, you can extend the life of your bay windows, prevent costly repairs, and enjoy their charm year-round. Here are practical seasonal tips for maintaining bay windows in Redmond's climate. Spring. Refresh after winter's wear. Winter in Redmond can bring rain, chilly winds, and even frost, all of which put stress on bay windows. Spring is the perfect time to inspect and refresh. Check seals and caulking. Freezing temperatures may cause seals to crack. Reapply caulk around frames to keep moisture out. Clean the glass. Remove grime and water spots from rain and condensation using a non-abrasive cleaner. Inspect for condensation. Persistent fog between panes may indicate a failed seal, which should be addressed promptly. Polish wood trim. If your bay window includes wood elements, apply a protective finish to prevent rot and mildew. Spring cleaning not only improves the look of your windows but also restores their functionality after the harsher months. Summer. Guard against heat and sun. While Redmond summers are mild compared to other parts of the country, the sun can still take a toll on your bay windows. Check weather stripping. Warm weather expands materials, so test the fit of the sashes and replace any loose or worn weather stripping. Protect finishes. Apply UV protective treatments or use curtains to prevent sun fading on wood or fabrics near your bay window. Ventilate carefully. Bay windows can trap heat. Use operable panels or nearby windows for cross ventilation to keep your home cool without stressing seals. This proactive care helps maintain efficiency and reduces wear from seasonal temperature shifts. Fall. Prepare for rain and storms. Autumn in Redmond brings falling leaves, cooler temperatures, and the start of the rainy season. It's time to make sure your bay windows are ready to resist moisture. Clear debris. Clean gutters and downspouts near bay windows to prevent water overflow that could damage frames or sills. Examine flashing. Check the metal or waterproof barrier around the window's exterior to ensure it's intact and redirecting water properly. Inspect the frame. Look for gaps or signs of rot, especially in wooden bay windows. Prompt repairs prevent minor issues from worsening during wet months. Lubricate hardware. Hinges, locks, and cranks may stiffen with damp weather. A quick lubrication ensures smooth operation. By preparing in the fall, you help your bay windows withstand Redmond's long rainy season. Winter. Protect against cold and moisture. Redmond winters are wet and chilly, and bay windows often bear the brunt of the weather. Check for drafts. Use a candle or smoke test around the window edges to spot air leaks. Add insulation or weather stripping where needed. Prevent condensation. Use a dehumidifier indoors to reduce moisture buildup on glass surfaces. Wipe away any water promptly to avoid mold. Monitor interior finishes. Moisture can damage nearby wood floors, drywall, or window seating. Keep an eye on these areas for early signs of damage. Use storm protection if necessary. Consider installing storm panels or temporary film for added insulation and protection. Winter maintenance ensures your bay windows remain functional and efficient despite the harsh conditions. Year-round maintenance habits. In addition to seasonal tasks, a few year-round habits keep bay windows in peak condition. Clean glass and frames monthly to remove dust, dirt, and moisture buildup. Inspect seals quarterly for cracks or gaps. Schedule professional inspections every couple of years to ensure structural integrity. Final thoughts. Bay windows are a striking focal point in many Redmond homes, but Redmond's rainy, damp weather requires consistent care. By following seasonal maintenance tips, from refreshing seals in spring to insulating against drafts in winter, You'll extend the life of your windows, improve energy efficiency, and preserve their beauty. With regular upkeep and occasional professional help, your bay windows will continue to brighten your home and withstand Redmond's unique climate for years to come.